Hi all, this is Noe, and I welcome you to another session of English Tips at British House. Today, we are going to talk about the zero conditional. Remember, there are 4 conditionals in English: zero, first, second, and third, and today we are going to start with the zero conditional. Now let's have a look at how it works. If you join me, I will show you how we make it. We construct the zero conditional by using if plus present simple, comma, and another sentence that will be in the present simple or the imperative form. Remember that with all conditionals, we have 2 parts. They are 2 clauses, and they can be interchanged, okay? What you cannot do is mix them. So let's have a look at why we have zero conditional. We use this one to talk about facts and also to talk about scientific facts. Okay, so for example, the first sample that you have here is if water reaches 100 degrees, it boils. It always happens. This is what zero conditional is about. When one condition occurs, a consequence always takes place. In this case, it's a scientific fact. Now let's have a look at some more example sentences. If it rains, the grass gets wet. It means that this always happens. Remember that you can invert the sentence and say, the grass gets wet if it rains. Okay, so this is a truth. Let's have a look at another sample sentence. If ice cream gets warm, it melts. It always happens. And that is what zero conditional is about. In these 2 examples, we have used the present simple in both clauses. Now let's have a look at how we construct the zero conditional with an imperative. An imperative is an order. So let's see. This is something that your parents could possibly tell you. If it is cold outside, take a jacket. So in this case, take a jacket, it's an order, okay? So as you can see, we use the zero conditional for truths, for facts, for things that always happen as a consequence of one condition. So I hope you find this explanation useful, and I'll see you very soon in another edition of English Tips at British House. Thank you for joining me. Bye-bye.